We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in the gallery on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when WhatsApp photos and videos are not showing in your gallery on your iPhone because you may want to go and have them saved there. There's something important. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this and getting them to be saved and showing there. So to get started with this, we actually do need to come out of WhatsApp like so and go and open up your settings. In settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the option for apps. Then we need to go and scroll down all the way down and find the option for WhatsApp and tap there. And you want to go and find the option for photos and make sure you select allow full access and select that there. Now you can come and return to WhatsApp. Now head to the bottom right and you can find the option for settings. In here, you want to go and find the option for chats. And you need to make sure you go and turn on save to photos like so. That's really important. Now, when you go and receive a photo or video, it should go and then be saved. Now, going forward, they should now be showing and saving in your gallery and photos. So if you've got any which currently aren't, you can go and tap on it. Then you can go and tap on the photo or video you want to do this with. Press the share button in the bottom left and you want to go and press save. Now that's going to be appearing in your photos and showing, as you can see. And going forward, when you go and receive them, they'll automatically be saved. For example, I've just gone and received one now, and if I go and open up my photos, it's automatically there. Leave a like if you found this useful.